Hello watch fam, welcome to Watches with a Woman. I just got back from my jiu-jitsu class and I am way too excited to tell you about this unboxing of Nomos because I'm going to be reviewing their watch soon. Hello there. I am still sweaty, so forgive me, but I had to get this to you. So we'll be unboxing this Nomos, their Tangente 2date. And here we go. So first thing inside the box is, look how nicely wrapped this is, huh? It says Nomos on it, little clock outlines. Loving this so far. Hello watch fam, so nice to be live with you. I had to get to you as soon as possible. Thus the appearance, priorities. Look at this. This is always such a satisfying moment. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Nice leather case. It's bad that I always smell. Okay. Nomos Glashütte. And so it's a German watch brand, and what's really fun is I've actually been to Glashütte, Germany when I was 19, so over 10 years ago now. So I've liked this brand for a while. So inside, so we have a nice polishing cloth. Can never have too many of those. And it's the other one. Okay, do I do this first or do I? Okay. Yes. So this one is the Ahoi neomatik 2date date Atlantic. And apologize for any pronunciation misinterpretations, but look at this. Okay, so the question is, do I try it on now or do I show you the other watch and then try them both on? It is nice, isn't it? Thank you. And look at that, my mom joined. How sweet is that? Mom, look, I came straight from the gym. I was too excited, didn't get changed. I will shower after. I am clean, I'm cleansly. Look how nicely packaged, so there's no damage. Also, just a side note about what else is in here. We have the info packages on these watches, and I will say that I am going to do a full review of these after maybe a week, sometime next week, after I have time to actually wear them. So that will be coming, and we'll be going over more information about their watches too. And a notebook. How nice is that? So, as I mentioned, and since my mom is here, I can re-say it. I've been to Glashütte, cute little German town. I was on a road trip with my family, so my mom was there. And there so I didn't go see where they make Nomos, but I saw the town, saw their little museum, saw the boutique, and learned that Nomos has a lot of windows in their facility, so they kind of style after the Bauhaus movement, so a lot of natural light, which can also help. It is super cool, Andrew, it is. So, second watch time. How exciting is that? Can you ever have enough watches? Can you ever do enough unboxings? It's like one of the most exciting parts. If you order it or you get it home. This one's wood, guys. This one's wood. Wood. Leather. Okay, what do we have here? I feel like, like those people with the tablecloths where they're like, okay, enough fooling around. Watches are serious business here, serious. And here we go. Look at that. So this is the watch that I originally said that I'd be unboxing, which is the Tangente 2date. So this one is 37.5 millimeters in diameter, which I think is going to be a great size for my 6-inch wrist. And it's the one that comes in the wood. It is only, take this off, 6.8. McGee's still damp with sweat, so, but priorities, as we've mentioned. So here we go. We'll get to put it on. Also the ever so satisfying. Are you guys ready? And again, these I'm just gonna have for about 2 weeks, but I will be wearing them every day. I might have to take a page out of Spanish Rob's book and double wrist. His watch Instagram is now double wristing instead of Spanish Rob. But look at this movement. Look at this. Okay. So again, this is manual. So it is a thinner watch, which I like. So if I hold this up for you next to, you see I brought down a nice watch tray to rest them in. And then out of the leather case, just gonna unsnap that. Unsnap. Okay. So here we go. And this one is automatic. So this one is almost twice as thick, a little less. This one's 10.9 millimeters in height, and this one's 6.8, somewhere around there, you know? So you can see the difference. So I'll put them both on. This one is, or is this one 10? I think I might actually be thinking of that exact specification, as they just came out, Nomos just came out with a collaboration with Revolution magazine, which I think was super cool. It's like a raspberry color dial with a pink subdial. That one I know is 10.9 millimeters in thickness, and it is an automatic movement, but I'm not sure if it's the same movement as this. So in my full review, guys, I will be getting that to you. And but this one is 6.8, and this one is a leather strap I'll be trying out. Also, look at the inside. This is, so the outside is black, but the inside is green. I really like details like that. The stitching is even different. Because it looks contrast on the green and not here, which, is everybody gonna know that's there? No, but you will. And if you take it off at watch events and show your friends, if they're as nerdy as we are, then they will appreciate it. So we'll have them both on side by side for you. Again, I came straight from jiu-jitsu for whoever is joining, thus the appearance. But you can pair any watch with anything, right? So why not wear really pretty watches with your dirty rash guard and gi pants? Double watch combo, that's right, Andrew. So here we go. You can see the thickness. Side. Let's get some different views for you guys. How cool is that? And I've known about this brand for a while, and I've been a fan of them. So to be able to get to wear these for a couple weeks is really exciting. So, and I will correct the dimensions on the Ahoi here in my full review next week. But I was just too excited not to get a little Instagram live going to unbox these for you guys. And my mom just said I like the clean classic dial. And you could say that really about either. So I really like that as well. What's fun is, so this one, which it's you know, it feels like it's gonna be a modern classic. Like, it feels like it'll age well. It's super pretty. And I love the red accents. So let me get this closer. So the main date display down here is in red. And then they have the days of the month going around the outside, and that adds another red accent as well. The hands, both for the subdial and the main dial, are really clean. I like that they mirror the shape of the indices between the numerals. It is a nice movement decoration. I agree. You can see the, let's see, I'll be posting these every day this week. Multiple pictures of both of these watches, so check them out. But you can see the kind of details here. I mean, they did a great job. And this one's the manual. And then the automatic. Boom. Also beautiful finishing. Here we go. A little bit of gold accents on there. You can see the rotor. And a little crown guard here. Oh, that's really pretty that the both the hand of the second subdial and right around the crown have a little orange color accent. Again, I'll be posting pictures of these all week and, you know, just geeking out over them. So come back for the actual review next week on my YouTube channel, Watches with a Woman. Like and subscribe, all that jazz, you know, this is social media. And yeah, so again, just a quick recap. We have 2 watches I will be posting about all week on my Instagram, and I will be doing a full review on next week for my YouTube channel. 1 manual, 1 automatic, both from Nomos, and they both come with really pretty display. Wood, or leather, and wood. Boop, boop. How nice is that? So thank you all for joining this Instagram Live. I love Nomos too, ticking_magic. And yeah, I cannot wait to see you guys. And I'm going to go and shower the jujitsu off of me. I can't wait to see you. See you, watching.